Paul Ross presents 6A Paine Road, Morley. Situated on a 304 square metre block, this residence has everything in a peaceful and private location. It defines low-maintenance living to suit all lifestyles, and it's the perfect buy for your first home, an ideal downsizer or an awesome investment in this sought-after area. This well-presented home is surprisingly spacious and boasts a very practical floor plan. You can't help but be impressed by this modern home with an inviting open-plan living area and a large dining and kitchen with a breakfast bar, plus there's loads of bench and storage space. There's a home theatre room with double doors that's perfect for movie nights. The king-size master bedroom has a walk-in robe and a lovely ensuite, whilst bedrooms 2 and 3 have built-in mirrored robes and share the main bathroom, boasting a separate bath and shower. Step outside to a lovely outdoor area with a gabled patio, and there's a low-maintenance backyard. Other features include reverse cycle ducted air conditioning throughout, solar panels, a double garage with shopper's entry, roller shutters and an external storeroom. The home is in a great location opposite Hampton Park Primary School and close to Emberson Reserve. It also has easy access to public transport, Bayswater Waves, Morley Galleria, to Tonkin Highway north and south, and the airport. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.